Hey, this is Emily Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video we're going to talk about how you can create an admin user in WordPress. If you're working with a WordPress developer, someone who's going to come into your website, do some custom coding, or maybe it's a virtual assistant, someone who's going to help you with the day-to-day of managing your WordPress business, updating your content, updating your plugins, whatever it may be, you might need to add somebody to your website, and this is how you'll do it. So on the back end of our WordPress website, we're going to go to Users, down here in the bottom left, add new user. We can add the username. So we'll add the email for the user as well as a username. We can optionally add a first and last name. We probably don't need to do that, but we'll say then we have an option for a website URL, probably not necessary. Really, the only things we need are username, email, and password. We'll want to copy this password down, and we also need to make sure that the role of this user, if I could zoom in, I don't think it's going to let me zoom in, but the role of this user needs to be an administrator. Now, you could create other user roles in your website. For example, I'm using Lifter LMS, a plugin for online courses, and so I have a few extra user roles that you might not see, like student, LMS manager, and instructor, but usually you're going to be looking at these 5: subscriber, contributor, author, and editor. They all have different abilities. The administrator is the person who can edit the plugins and the themes and just everything on the website. The editor can only edit blog posts, I believe, and pages. You could look specifically at what each of these roles do, but mostly you're going to be adding an administrator for someone who's going to work on the back end of your business, but you could also add other user roles if you just want them creating blog posts. But administrator, add new user, and now that user has been created, and they would also receive an email that their account had been created because I left that box turned on, and they can reset their password, or you could send them a password reset email right here. But that's how you'll create a user on the back end of your WordPress website. If you're working with a developer, virtual assistant, or anyone supporting you in WordPress, they can now log into your website and help you build things out. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or other videos you want to see, and I'll see you in the next video.